So one of those things that almost everybody does as we move into this new RingCentral environment is forward your phone at some point in time. Whether you're forwarding it because you're going to go and take annual leave, you're going to be out of the office for a while, so you may forward your phone to someone else. Or if you're going to simply make sure that it just forwards to voicemail. Or maybe at lunchtime, maybe you switch off with somebody in your office. They forward their phone while they're at lunch to you, you forward your phone to them when they go to lunch. Let me show you real quick how you can do this very easily in the app. So we're going to go from the phone. We're normally sitting here answering the phone in the phone, and we open up settings. From settings, we'll choose call rules and voicemail. And that's what comes up, and the first thing you see is forward all calls. So right now, if I had set mine at one point to where I was forwarding all my calls to Candy Massey. If that's what I wanted to do, it remembers the last thing I did. I would just turn this on, and now I'm forwarding all my calls. Anybody calls me at 98365, it's going to forward straight to Candy. But let's say I want to do something different. Let's say I want to send it to voicemail. Here you can see I've got it forwarding to Candy, but let's say I want to just send it to voicemail. Now it's going to send it to voicemail. I hit save, and it tells me up here at the top of the app, hey, you're forwarding all your calls to voicemail. When I'm ready to turn it off, I either turn it off here, or I come down here and flip it off. And now all my calls are coming back to either my RingCentral app, my physical phone, or to my cell phone.